In this video, I'll guide you through how to redeem an Amazon gift card. Whether you've received a card as a present or simply purchased one for yourself, redeeming it is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and unlock those funds for your next Amazon purchase. First things first, you need to locate your gift card's claim code. If you have a physical card, the code is typically found on the back under a scratch-off coating. You might need a coin or something similar to gently scratch it off. If your gift card came through email, the claim code should be clearly visible within the email itself. The claim code is usually a 14 or 15 character combination of letters and numbers. It's important to handle this code carefully, as it's essentially the key to accessing your gift card balance. Now, let's move on to redeeming your card. Start by heading over to Amazon's website. Once you're there, hover your mouse over the Account and List section at the upper right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here, you should select the option labeled Account. This will take you to a new page with various account settings and options. On this, your account page, look for a box that says Gift Cards. Click on this box and you will be directed to your gift card account balance and options. This section is where you manage all things related to your gift cards, including checking your current balance and redeeming new cards. Next, you'll want to find the button that says Redeem a Gift Card. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you can enter your gift card's claim code. Here's where you'll need the code you located earlier. Carefully type the claim code into the provided box. Don't worry about including any dashes. You can simply type the letters and numbers as they appear. Once you've entered the claim code, it's time to apply it to your account. Look for the button that says Apply to your balance and click it. This action will immediately add the gift card's value to your Amazon account balance. You should see a confirmation message showing that the amount has been successfully added. This balance can now be used for any future purchases on Amazon, making your shopping experience that much easier and more convenient. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Amazon gift card. Remember, your Amazon account balance never expires, so you can use it whenever you're ready to make a purchase. If you have multiple gift cards, you can repeat these steps to add even more funds to your account. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. With your gift card redeemed, you're all set to enjoy shopping on Amazon. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.